Turn the sun around.
So, I made a video before, and it kind of didn't turn out well because I didn't have audio on. My fault, but I said something like my cousin's mentally retarded. I don't know. You tell me.
Whoa, it's purple.
Apparently, it's purple. But
purple.
we're watching the show on MTV. I think. What's it about?
Lesbians.
Lesbians? Are you a lesbian? She's a lesbian. Are you a lesbian? Yeah, she's a lesbian. How's your partner?
Oil and dirt inside out.
Oh, she wears her clothes inside out? I figured. Does she like women too? Or is she bi?
She's bi.
Oh, she's bi, so she likes men and women, but you're just straight
She has
lesbian.
3 boyfriends. They're not cool.
She has 3 girlfriends and you're one of them? Or are you the 4th? Oh, 4th, my bad.
Did you just call me a whore?
No, I didn't call you a whore. Are you? She's a whore?
Oh.
My cousin's a whore, everybody.